will show you how you can use Chrome browser in private mode. If you use in private mode, your browser history cannot search by anyone, cannot see what you have searched before, so your data will not save there, and no pop-up window or a third browsing link will not open. So if you have Chrome browser in your device, in the phone or in laptop, so you can use easily. So let's go with me. At first you have to click your browsing Chrome browser. On the right side you have a more tab option, so you just click on it and you can see a new incognito option, so just click on it. Let's see, what a magic, you have a new page. So now you can easily use this private mode. No one can see what you have searched before. Okay, keep safe, stay safe, stay safe with your data. Okay, bye bye.